So this is different. It's a new car wash, Bliss Car Wash. Out here in Palmdale, California. Oh, go that way? Go this way? like a roller coaster ride. So you gotta put it in neutral, wipers off keep your feet off the pedal, hands off steering wheel, almost like going into a ride at Six Flags, Magic Mountain, or Knoxbury Farm. Have a good day. Oh, and it's my favorite color. Purple. So Ricky's in the car with me. He's saying I'm cheap, but it's all about, let's see how their services are, so we can tell the world if this place is worth going to. So we're getting the soap first.
Oh, I'm feeling
vibrations of the car. You feel?
She love vibrations.
Blue and purple turquoise soap.
That's not so nice.
Ooh, lavender and yellow and green. Rainbow colors. Now it's getting the car rinsed. Spot-free rinse. Armor all and clear coat on top of the car. Now we're in the dryer session. See how long it's taking. It smells good. Share your bliss. Share car wash. Bliss Car Wash. So this is the dry and shine, of course. Oh, that's neato. And a giant dryer. That's pretty fresh.
I know.
3 minutes, and this is the tire dressing by Armor All. In other words, my tires are looking nice now. I need some rims and a paint job. Well, that's been fun. And it says wait right here on Rancho Vista Avenue P. Doesn't say to go yet, but when it does, I guess it'll be time for me to put my foot on the gas now. I'll go? Okay. Now I can go.
Don't
Wait.
worry.
So that's the line over there. The last part, the best part, I guess, you would consider. Gotta park my car over here. And gotta wait for Grandma to be out the way. Finish this video.
Damn. Hell with that video. Clean your nasty car up. Dump this shit out. Come on.
Oh, shoot. Thanks a lot for checking out my video.
Nasty ass car.
Alright, here we go. It's dirty. Well, it was clean now. Thank goodness that part is clean. Thanks for checking out my video.
What? Damn.
Leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, and share like everyone else on social media. Bye.
Bye-bye.